Hi, I'm Siddharth from Human Experience, and today we're going to talk about radiation, energy. What are the source of energy? What is the cause of radiation? What are the effects? How do we measure these radiations? And the way to neutralize them. As we know, everything is energy. The flow of energy, be it Vastu, be it our chakra system, be it our birth chart, everything is related to positive and negative energy. Our brain, body, mind, soul, everything is energy. Like Einstein said, everything is energy, it's a flow of energy. So, what are radiations? Radiations are abnormal source of energy. They might be from the earth or they might be from the gadgets we use, like the mobile phones, the electrical lines, laptops, computers, microwaves. Now the physical law is same for all the devices. It governs all the devices, be it a UFO or an aircraft, table, chair, mobile phones, lights. Everything is governed by a universal physical law. Even our brain works on law of physics. Our brain transmits electrical signals to different parts of the body. Our nerve system works on 50 millivolt of electricity. If I blow air on my hand, gives the signal to my brain. I know something is blown up to my hand. So what happens when the external radiations interact with natural body system and how they affect our body system? Start with what are the different type of radiations. First is geopathic stress. Geopathic stress are basically radiations which comes from below the earth's surface. They might be waterline, they might be geofolds, Curry lines, Hartmann lines, Banker grid, global magnetic fields. It has been proved by NASA and other significant scientific publications that we have a lot of radiation from below the earth's surface, and it can be broadly classified as geopathic stress or geopathic radiations. In this video, we'll address it as GS radiation, geopathic stress radiations. Water lines. What are water lines? Water lines are basically lines which are below the earth's surface where the water flows. And as the earth tries to restrict the flow of water, they concentrate on a certain point and create a very high energy field. And they create a very strong ionizing radiation, which is the main cause of headache, fatigue, tiredness, insomnia, and cancer. Geofolds are geographical folds which are formed below the earth's surface due to deposit of minerals, due to mines, or they are more prominent in hilly areas where the earth's surface is not uniform. There's a tectonic shift in the earth's surface. We also have radioactivity below the earth's surface. They might be caused due to high concentration of radioactive materials like granite, and especially in hilly areas we have a high incidence of radioactive radioactivity, alpha rays, gamma rays, beta rays, and all sort of things. Hartmann lines, Banker lines are named on prominent scientists, Mr. Hartmann and Mr. Banker. They are the global grid system which runs throughout the earth's surface. So what happens when we encounter these radiation and we stay amongst these radiation? Suppose a person who is sleeping on a Banker line or a water line, how does it affect him? We're going to talk about that. What are the effects of geopathic stress? Have you ever noticed when you get up in the morning that you feel very tired, you have a headache, you're not slept well? That is caused by geopathic stress, because at night when our body need to recharge, our cells need to rejuvenate, we feel this disturbance coming from the earth's surface. And we feel very tired in the morning. We feel a lot of stress and we feel very tired. And geopathic stress is one of the major cause of miscarriage, abnormal childbirth, autism, all type of cancer, breast cancer, prostate cancer, joint pain, lung problems, and so on and so forth. The list goes on. So this is about geopathic stress. I'm just covering it in brief now. I'll be putting up more videos later discussing geopathic stress in detail. Other type of radiations are electromagnetic radiation, which are not given to us by nature, which we create ourselves. Your mobile phone, computer, electrical lines, all these are cause of electromagnetic radiations, electromagnetic frequency. Suppose you are listening to a very soft, soothing classical song or a symphony, opera, and suddenly somebody plays loud music which interferes with your soft music. So what happens? It causes a lot of disturbance. Similarly, our body, which is working on its own wavelength, on its own frequency, when it encounters external radiations, it disturbs our natural system. Pause कर दो बस